Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Phrases Hub. My name is Emma, and I'm very happy you're here. Today, we will talk about how reading can help you speak English better. You might think reading is only for writing or grammar, but reading can also help you speak more fluently, more confidently. In this episode, I will explain in a slow and easy way how reading gives you new words, how it helps you speak with better sentences, and how you can use reading to practice speaking, even at home. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together. Let's get started. Let's begin with the first way reading can help you speak better English. Reading gives you new words. When you read, your eyes see many English words. Some words are easy, you already know them. Other words are new and you don't know them yet. That's okay. You don't need to stop. You can guess the meaning from the story or sentence. Let me show you how. Example, you read this sentence. Sarah was very tired after work. She sat down and closed her eyes. Now maybe you don't know the word tired, but you can guess. She worked, she sat down, she closed her eyes. Maybe tired means she has no energy. And yes, that's correct. That's the magic of reading. It teaches you new words with real examples. You don't just read the word, you also understand how and when to use it. Let's try another one. You read this. Tom was feeling cold, so he put on his jacket. Maybe you ask, what is a jacket? Then you see, Tom feels cold. He put something on. A jacket is something you wear to stay warm. Now, you learn a new word, jacket, in a natural way. And later, when it's cold outside, you can say, I need my jacket. Remember, when you read, you learn words without a dictionary. You learn from the story, from the sentence, from the feeling. And when you see a word many times, it becomes easier to remember and easier to say. Tip for you. When you read, try to stop and say the new word out loud. For example, you see the word delicious in a sentence. The cake was delicious. Say it out loud with me. Delicious. It means very tasty, very good food. Now try to use it. Say, this pizza is delicious. Great job. The more you read, the more words you learn. And the more words you learn, the better you can speak. So keep reading stories, news, short texts, even subtitles. Reading is your friend, and every word you learn is a step forward. Now let's talk about the second reason why reading can help you speak English better. Reading shows you real English sentences. When you learn English, it's not enough to only know single words. You also need to know how to put words together to make clear and natural sentences. That's what reading helps you do. Let me explain. When you read a book, a short story, or even subtitles, you see how native speakers use English. You see where the words go, how questions are asked, and how answers are given. For example, you read, "Can I help you?" This is a common sentence, very polite, very useful. You'll hear it in stores, restaurants, even at the airport. Now, when you want to help someone, you can say the same thing. Can I help you? You didn't just learn the word help. You learned how to use it in a sentence. That's much more powerful. Here's another example. You read this sentence. I don't like coffee, but I love tea. Now you learn how to use but to show a contrast. You can now say, I don't like cold weather, but I like the snow. I don't speak French, but I speak English. Reading shows you these small grammar patterns again and again until they become natural to you. Tip for you. When you read, try to repeat full sentences out loud. You can say them slowly, you can pause, you don't have to be perfect, just speak. Reading gives you the structure. It teaches you how to build sentences, like blocks in a house. And the more you see these patterns, the easier it is to use them when you speak. So remember, reading is not just for learning words, it's for learning how real people speak. And when you read more, you speak better, you speak clearly, you speak naturally, and you feel more confident. Now let's talk about the third way reading can help you speak better English. Reading helps you practice pronunciation when you read aloud. That means you don't just read silently with your eyes, you read out loud with your voice. Why is this important? Because when you read out loud, you are training your mouth to speak English sounds. You are also training your ears to hear your own voice in English. It's like speaking practice, but you don't need a partner. You can do it by yourself, anytime, anywhere. Let's try a simple sentence together. Repeat after me, slowly. This is my favorite book. Again, this is my favorite book. You are practicing your pronunciation. You are also getting more comfortable with speaking English. Step by step, your voice becomes stronger and clearer. Here's a tip. When you read a sentence, try this. 1. Read it once silently. 2. Read it again out loud. 3. Then read it slowly and clearly, like a speaker. Let's try it now. I'm learning English every day. Good job. Now say it again, but a little slower. I am learning English every day. Wonderful. Another idea. Choose a short story or one of your favorite dialogues from this podcast. Read one line at a time. Speak slowly. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just focus on the sounds. Over time, your pronunciation will improve. You will feel more natural when you speak. Remember, reading out loud is like exercise for your voice. The more you do it, the stronger and better your English speaking becomes. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. So keep going. You're doing great. Now let's talk about a really strong way to learn English faster. Reading and listening together. Yes, when you read and listen at the same time, you train your brain in 2 ways. You see the words with your eyes, and you hear the words with your ears. This helps your brain connect sounds and meanings, and it makes learning English easier and faster. For example, you are listening to this podcast right now. If you also read the words from the podcast script, you can follow along. You will hear how I say the words and see how they are written. This helps with pronunciation, spelling, understanding full sentences, speaking more naturally. Let's try it together. I will say a sentence slowly. You can listen and read it too. I like to listen to English podcasts before bed. Now you say it out loud. I like to listen to English podcasts before bed. Very good. This is how your brain gets stronger with English. Here's a helpful tip. Find short English videos or podcasts that also have subtitles. Play the audio and read the subtitles at the same time. Start with short parts, maybe just 1 minute. Repeat them if you want. It's okay to go slow. Little by little, you'll hear more clearly and speak more fluently. So remember, when you read and listen together, you learn in a deep, powerful way. You build better listening skills and better speaking skills too. It's like giving your English practice a big boost. Now let's talk about one of the most important things: confidence. Yes, reading can help you feel more confident when you speak English. Why? Because when you read often, you see many words, you learn how to use them, and you understand more English. When you understand more, you feel ready to speak. You feel brave enough to try. You feel less afraid of making mistakes. Let me give you an example. You read a short story with these sentences. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? Now, next time you meet someone, you already know what to say. You feel ready. You smile and say, Hi, how are you today? And that's a big win. Another example, you read this line, Can I have a glass of water, please? Now, when you go to a cafe or restaurant, you don't feel shy. You already know the sentence. You've read it, maybe even said it out loud before. So now, you say it with confidence. Can I have a glass of water, please? And guess what? That's how your English gets better. Step by step, with practice, and with confidence. Here's a tip for you. Choose one short reading every day. Just 5 to 10 minutes. Read slowly. Say the sentences out loud, and think about how you could use them in your own life. Maybe at work, at school, at a shop, or with a friend. Confidence comes when you feel prepared, and reading helps you prepare. Reading gives you the words, the patterns, and the examples so you can speak with more ease. So keep going. You are doing amazing, and every page you read is one more step toward fluency. Thank you so much for listening today. Let's quickly remember what we learned. Reading helps you. 1. Learn new words. 2. See real English sentences. 3. Practice pronunciation when you read out loud. 4. Improve by reading and listening together. 5. Feel more confident when you speak. Every time you read, you are learning. Every page, every sentence, every word is helping you grow. So don't worry about being perfect. Just keep going, step by step. One page at a time. Even 5 minutes of reading a day can make a big difference in your English. You're doing great, and I'm really proud of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below. What's your favorite way to practice English? Subscribe to English Phrases Hub and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Emma from English Phrases Hub, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and bye for now.